In the era of smart manufacturing, technology has become an inevitable driving force in the plastic industry. The right technology can optimize the workflow from design and testing to production, making companies more competitive. You need an easy-learning, simple-to-use, and multifunctional solution. Moldex3D 2021 is undoubtedly the answer for you. Based on scientific principles and years of practical knowledge, Moldex3D molding analysis software is dedicated to solving all kinds of injection challenges. We provide high-precision predictive analysis, strengthen the prediction of changes in shrinkage and warpage, predict fiber orientation, and provide the possibility of buckling deformation. Any situation in the production process is visualized. The evolved CAD features improve the quality, success rate, and efficiency of mesh generation, allowing users to construct more complicated models. We have also enhanced the advanced geometric data of nozzles, gates, runners, and cooling channels, improving the analysis accuracy and making it easier to modify the design. Besides, the file size of the simulation results is reduced by 80%, and the output speed is increased by 3 times. The report format can also be customized, and the key items can be directly displayed, making the report generation intelligent and automatic. Moldex3D 2021 continues to increase the molding prediction function of composite materials, providing users with resin transfer molding process analysis, allowing users to produce better quality products. For the foaming process, the new physical foaming capabilities provide a new microscopic foaming prediction model, which greatly enhances accuracy on predicting bubble shrinkage behavior. Moldex3D 2021 Studio also supports the full IC packaging process and provides a user-friendly operating platform to help users explore and optimize packaging design, reducing trial and error costs significantly. The most important step in smart manufacturing is the cyber-physical integration. Moldex3D 2021 ISLM allows you to view project results and animations on different devices, such as mobile phones, tablets, and laptops. You can also compare mold trial results and molding analysis with a simple click. You can access information anytime, anywhere. We also broke the boundary of distance. Our users can run simulations efficiently on the remote Linux IP cluster on private or public clouds, making it possible to analyze and calculate millions of elements in minutes. More powerful analysis performance, more detailed result reports. Today, let us work together to turn our ideas into reality. Moldex3D 2021, molding reality.